Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video it's a tutorial on how you can change the look of your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So yes, in today's video you will learn how to change the look of your video to a creative look using Adobe Premiere Pro. It is simple and very easy to understand. All you need is to just see what I'm doing. So I will go on my laptop and I will show you how it is done. So the first thing I will do, I will import the video which I will be using as an example to show you how you can change your video to a more creative look in Adobe Premiere Pro. For me, I've saved the video in my desktop. As you can see where my cursor is, I've saved my video on the desktop, my example video. So I will just left click and I will drag my video in Premiere Pro like this. On the left side I will just release my mouse and it will automatically import like this, that the way it is imported like that. So the video is there here where my cursor is and where it's pointing, and left double click on it and I will play the video so that you can be able to see how it is when there is no. So I will play the video. And that has been my tutorial on how you can change the look of your video using the Adobe. As you can see, the video has no, or it has not been edited in any way. It is just raw as it is. So I will go ahead and continue playing the video so that you can be able to see. So the next thing I will do, I will just take the video, the whole video. So I will click I on my laptop, then I will go ahead up to the end of the video and I will click O on my laptop to select the out where I want the video to be cut out. So, and I will take the video plus the audio as you can see where my cursor is, and I will left click on my mouse there and I will drag the video up to the timeline like that, and it will be in the timeline like that, as you can see. So at here is where you should be more attentive, because is where I will show you on where to go in if you need to change the color, or not the color but the creative look of your video. So the thing you will need to do, you will go up here where my cursor is on the layout and you will go up to the color where my cursor is and left click on your mouse like that, and it will take you to the color layout. The next thing you will do, you will go ahead and play the video. As you can see, the video has not been added any look on it. It's just raw as it is. So if you want to change the look, you will go ahead. The first thing I will go on where my cursor is at the top right side on basic correction, and I will left click on my mouse, and I make sure on all my videos I decrease all the whites, and I also decrease all the highlights before adding any creative look on my video. After that is done, you will go on the where my cursor is. I hope you are being attentive and you are seeing where my cursor is, and I will go to the next creative look. So after there I will just go up where my cursor is, where my cursor is pointing on the look, where the layout of the look is, and I will left click there and I will come here. In here you have many or different types of creative look which you can add on your video. Yes, So I like using this Kodak 5 where my cursor is pointing, Kodak 5205 Fuji 3510 by Adobe. I like using that preset or that creative look. So I will left click and it will automatically, as you have just seen, it will automatically read on my video like that. So I will go ahead and play the video and you will see the difference of the video right now. Yes, that is the way it should be done. Yes, if you have any question, just let me know down in the comment. As you can see the video, I've just added a more creative look, so it is hard to see since I've added a creative look which is more likely to be similar with the original video without the creative look. So I will go ahead and I will take another look so that you can be able to see. Here is where you come if you want to change your creative look in any video that you want using the Adobe Premiere Pro. So I will take this up down here SL Blue Moon where my cursor is pointing. So I will left click on the mouse like that. As you can see, it has changed the look again. It has brought a more bluish or a blue tint in the video, so you can be able to see and understand. Here is where you come if you want to change the creative look of your video. So I hope you have enjoyed the video and you have got something about Adobe Premiere Pro, and you will get to practice if you want your videos to be more stunning. Yeah, that is it. And that has been my quick tutorial on how you can change the look of your video to a more creative look using the Adobe Premiere Pro. Yes, that is the way it should be done in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have any question, just let me know down in the comments below. And until next time, see you on my next video.